Transform your body from 2XL to XS with an effective at-home workout. Are you ready to embark on a journey to transform your body from 2XL to XS? Look no further. With our comprehensive at-home workout plan, you can achieve your desired body size and shape without stepping foot outside your house. Our program is designed to help you shed those extra pounds, tone your muscles, and improve your overall fitness level from the comfort of your own home.